Powerful quote for the day, and this is by Neville Goddard. He says, "Night after night, I slept in the assumption that I was happily married to the one I love." At night, right before you fall asleep, when you are in a calm, meditative state, you want to envision yourself in the wish fulfilled. You want to feel as though you are happily married to your person, or you are in a relationship with your person. You can feel them lying next to you. You can hear your specific person telling you how much they love you and they're so happy to be married to you. You can feel the ring on your finger, whatever it is, to get you into that state of the wish fulfilled. And when you fall asleep, your subconscious mind is wide open, accepting your suggestion. And when you loop this scene every single night, your subconscious mind will believe that you are happily married to your person or in a relationship with your person. And then you will then experience that in your 3D. Follow me for more tips.